रिलैक्स आपके ऊपर हो जाएं। माशाल्लाह आप यहीं से पुशअप स्टार्ट करेंगे। ठीक है जी, चलें।
Tahir Mahmood Khan with the right of access to information. This is the program for my international viewers. This is Iftikhar on its move. This is the way the person is stretching in such a way that these are the stretching exercises. The persons who are the newcomers, they must not do this particular thing. They must exert something. They must have some sort of command on their exercising power, and then they should do this. Iftikhar, क्या कहते हैं आप इस exercise के बारे में?
Stretch.
Iftikhar is telling that particular exercises, these are the stretching exercises, the full 360-degree angle exercises. These exercises are the best. If you are going to choose a trainer, I would like to introduce Iftikhar as a trainer also. For those international viewers who are coming to Pakistan, in the Punjab and all the places of Lahore and Peshawar, they must find that sort of person who are 100% fit, exerting something, and they are having that sort of command over the exercise. People do fall victim to those ordinary persons who don't know even the ABC of that particular exercise. The persons who are having this particular expertise, they must come in forward and they must look that person who are the person who can do that particular exercises. We are with Iftikhar. Look at the exercises. These are the exercises that must be observed in the true letter and spirit. You'll have to first of all warm you up. Before making these particular exercises, before that particular warm up, you won't be able to do these exercises. That would come to that particular cramps, and these cramps would stop you in that particular thing. So this is Tahir Mahmood Khan signing off from Rights TV. Allah Hafiz.